In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your mouse pointer fill color on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple logo up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. And then once this is open, on the left panel, select Accessibility. And on the right side underneath Vision, select Display. And if you scroll down here underneath Pointer versus Pointer Fill Color, you can click inside of here and select a different color from one of the many options here you can play around with. And then you just could mix and match basically. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.